Even all, just wanted to put up my entry video for the Dodge Truck Month for 2018. Uh, it doesn't start until March 1st, so my goal is to get one of my current builds off the bench, finished up and off the bench before then. But anyways, the kit I'll be doing is the Dodge Ram VTS. I believe Benny over at Fubar Model Yards is also doing this for Dodge Truck Month. I'm planning on pretty much just a box stock build, not doing anything to it. Probably won't be this color, but I won't be doing adding any parts or any modifications or anything like that. Just to show you here, it's all still in the plastic, not started or anything. So yeah, so that'll be the kit I'll be doing for this year's group build. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I hope you stay tuned for the updates.